If you want to add an overlay in Capcut, for example an image or a photo or a GIF, or you want to overlay a video or even a green screen, then keep watching because this video will show you how to add an overlay in Capcut step by step. Alright, after opening up Capcut, let's use this video as an example. We'll bring it over to the timeline. So the first thing we can add as an overlay will be an image. So to overlay an image, all you need to do is just click and hold and drag it down over to your timeline. And you can see that if I play the video, you have the image. So first of all, we can adjust how the image looks like. We can adjust the scale. We can make it smaller or larger depending. We can rotate the image. You just click on this here and you can rotate it. You can also adjust the position by moving it around to where you want to. Let me put it here. You can see we can adjust the size, the position. And you can also adjust the position here by varying these values or rotate it here also. And the next thing is that you can adjust how long you want the image to appear. If you want it to appear for a short while, all you need to do is just click on this and drag and reduce it. If we play the video, it appears just for a while. If you want it even shorter, you can reduce it like this. And if you click on this, you can see just for a moment. And if you want it to appear longer, just click on this right side and drag it to where you want it to end. And if I play the video, you see it appears for a longer period of time. And if you want more images, you can go over to stickers. And if you click on stickers, you can see that Capcut actually have a lot of inbuilt stickers already on their platform that you can use for free. All you need to do is just click them and it's going to download into Capcut and you can use them for free. As you can see here, just click on it, drag and drop it into your timeline, and as you see, it's downloaded already and added to the project. You can also do the same thing. You can reduce the size or enlarge it. You can change the position. You can also rotate it depending on what you want. Yeah, that's it. So if you play the video, you can see the sticker is right there. So you don't really need to go online and find all those stickers. You can just head over to stickers on Capcut and download it right there. So let's move on. If you want to overlay a photo, you just click on the photo, drag and drop it into the timeline. It's the same process and you have something like this. And if you want to make it smaller, you just click on this and reduce it. It's the same process really. There you can take it to wherever you want, whatever direction you would like, and there you have your photo. And also if you want to overlay a GIF, you can click on this that you've downloaded and drag and drop it also into your timeline. You can see you can also make it smaller or bigger, position it where you like, and there you have it. The GIF is right there. Also if you want to overlay video, just click and hold, bring it down. If I play the video, you see that we now have another video as an overlay, as you can see. And so you can use this to put B-rolls on your video. And of course you can do the same thing as before. You can reposition it, you can reduce the size, you can change the position, you can rotate the clip, just whatever you would like to do with your footage. And this way you can have two videos playing at the same time. Now to remove an overlay, you just click on it and press delete key on your keyboard. And see, it's gone. You can click on it and delete it. Now let's go to the last type of overlay, which is green screen. All you need to do is click on it, drag and drop it into your timeline, adjust it into your video like this. And if you play the video, you can see the overlay has been added to the video, but we don't want this green background here. So to remove this green screen, all you need to do is come over to videos, click on cutouts, click on chrome key, click on this little pencil here and click on this color green. Drag over the strength right to the end here, and as you can see, just like that, our green screen is gone. And if you play the video, you can see that the green screen is no more there. And you can also adjust where you would like it to be and rotate it and do every other thing we said about in the tutorial. So if you found this video valuable, click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video.